kids, welcome to my channel. Today, we're gonna learn animals coverings. Fox, it's squirrel, so it is fur. Put a little bit glue under it, like that glue, and then get it off and then put it there. Well, if this dry, see that the shark is scales or smoothskins. This smoothskins. Put some blues. Right. Oops. And put it right over here. And then the bird is the feather. This feather. Ah. Ew. Feathers. Here. Oh, the name I cover it there, guys. Because this turtle is shell. See that? Oops, upside down. Ah! Put it in some that glue because we want shell over here. Get it. This is a beaver, so it is fur or hair. Fur or hair. Fur. Okay, like that glue. And then to the fur. This ball. Now let's do the snail. Put in the middle or in that's much to the turtle. They are best buddies. Now the scales. Maybe. The scales.
What is that?
Snake, not a worm. Upside down, so like this. Okay, that's enough. Four more. The owl is feather. Let's put this glue. See this. Okay. That should be enough. I can do it. Go. Do. Oh, here. Best buddies. I cover it. Okay. The duck is feathers too. There are three. Okay, that should be enough. And then go. Okay. Okay. Do you know Poppy is my pet? His name is Chasey. Where's the hair? Fur. Hair or fur, guys? It's fur. For the last one is hair. Because it is a lion. Cute. Whee! Okay, should be enough. This. Over here. We're done, kids. Okay. So, I'm gonna tell you what the animals coverings for there. We're done here. The fur is lion, puppy or dog, beaver, and squirrel. And the scales is only one, the snake. And the smooth skins, this shark, megalodon. Okay, for the shell is the turtle, and then the snail. The feathers covering is owl, and then duck and bird. Okay, done, kids. My project, because I'm gonna go for the next week for the exam. So I'm practicing for now. And then check out this first. The Sonic Drone. The Connect. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you want more studying with me, subscribe, like, and share. Okay. Alright. Bye. Kids, so we forgot G like this. Because it's hiding on here. Okay, so this is scales. Okay, to the snake. So let's put it in. First this, like this. Okay, should be enough. Scales. Maybe it's swimming underwater because we want the pig is hair, maybe, or skin. Hair or skin? Oh, smooth skin. Smooth skin. Smooth skins. Should be enough. Smooth skin. The frog is made, I don't know, skin or feathers or scales. Oh, it's scales. Okay. What? Scales? Nope. Maybe scales. Okay. Watch for my next vlog to the House of Animals and then her babies. Okay, bye.